Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy, and if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you are not new and you are back again, welcome back. So we have an unboxing today, a long-awaited unboxing. Okay, this is how many months overdue? I don't know how many months overdue, but today we are going to be unboxing the 24-hour albums from 17. I'm gonna unbox it together. I kind of already opened the box, so that defeats the purpose of the unboxing, but we're gonna open the albums together. I couldn't wait. I got this sent to my parents' place, and so I had to go there to pick it up, and then I opened it, but I didn't unbox any of the albums. Anyways, if you're wondering, Nancy, this is so late, like why are you even bothering, whatever. I unboxed all their singles or albums. Like, I haven't decided. I'm probably not going to buy every single member's like magazine for their individual like mixtapes, but if John's does come out, you bet I will be buying lots of those. But there's 13 individual ones, so it's a lot. I'll see, but anyways, the reason why I'm unboxing this late is because lovely Sarah did ship them to me, but the shipping took forever because I think either the pandemic or something like that. Anyways, it's okay. It's still here, so we can finally unbox it together. So I already took off all the bubble wrap and stuff. So here are the albums. She wrote a lovely message on the box, and I will link her Twitter down below. I don't know if she's doing any more of these group orders anymore, but you should still give her a follow. And so here are the albums. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I forgot how many there were even. It's been so long. So here are the 5 albums, and then here are these little inclusions, which we'll go over first. These she just popped in as extras, I think. I already see. Thank you, girl. So she sent 2 Japan Dome Tour ones. So the first one right here, we have Minghao, or Myungho, I guess. And right here, it's a holo card. So he's moving. And this is the back. This one right here is Vernon. It's a Polaroid card, sorry. And on the back, he drew June. Isn't that so cute? These cards right here, I did take a quick peek as well. These are the HMV mini album cards. So anyways, we'll go through them together. So this is the first one right here. This one is DK. They all look the same at the back. So this one right here is the back of all of them. And then next we have Wonu. I'm gonna clock him again with the angle. Like, he always does the same angle. I need him to stop. And then next we have Joshua, or Josh. Then we have Jin right here. And then last but not least, at the back of the pile, I did not mess this up, but it's Chan. Gorgeous. So for HMV, if you ever buy from HMV Japan, you get these raffle entry cards, which are these square cards right here, which have a code at the back to win either a prize or entry to something. Usually it's like for fan meets and stuff, but you know, with the pandemic, it's kind of altered now. But anyways, we will take a look at them. She sent me, I believe, 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, she sent me 4 of them. And right here, the first one we have is Chang'an. And then we have Vernon, then Wonu, and last but not least, she sent me June as well. So usually we send like a list of like people we want or something like that, but I don't think I sent a list last time. I think she kind of just has a list from her previous buyer. She kind of gets what their favorites are. So thank you so much, Sarah. I'm just happy because like I just like to collect just John stuff. Not like I care to really collect photo cards anymore, but it's nice when I get to add it to my collection. I even left my binder for my photo cards at my parents' place. I still haven't brought it to my house yet. So this is a good reminder. I need to bring it back home. All right, so I'm gonna take off the string and let's take a look at all the versions. Let me just make sure it's in the correct way I want to open it. This is version A, version B, version C, regular version, and then Carat version. By the way, I forgot to mention this in the beginning of the video. I am also going to be unboxing Not Alone as well. though I don't think I'm getting the Carat version because I'm ordering it directly from HMB Japan myself instead of using a group order or Sarah. So there might not be the Carat version, but I'm gonna have all the other versions. I hope you guys don't mind. So anyways, I'm gonna open it in this order, so from here to here. So we're gonna start off with the regular version, or the normal CD version first, which is the crystal packaging, which is like the little plastic cover, not plastic cover, plastic packaging. So I'm gonna open it. So much plastic. Oh, wait a, oh my god, I am so smart. Look at this. There is a little plastic tab. Oh gosh, I don't even think you can see it. I'm sorry, you can't even see it, but there's a plastic tab I could have just peeled, and it has like a string to open. Oh my gosh. Why am I doing things the hard way? I don't know. So this is the front of the CD. It does come with a slip cover. So usually I don't even know what to do with these. I just kind of like leave them here when I put them back on my shelf. But I'll figure it out. For now, we're gonna take it off. It has the red, it's red right here. It says 24 hours on the spine, and then on the back it has a track listing, which is kind of redundant. I think it just makes it stand out, the package stand out, because the package is white. It's just a repetition of what it says on the side. So the front has all the members, and it's super simple, very simple, and there are 5 tracks, 24 hours, pinwheel Japanese version, 24/7 Japanese version, chili Japanese version, and together Japanese version. So this is what the CD looks like. It is a cream color with the red accent color for the text, and we're gonna take a look at the booklet. So anyways, so I'm gonna open it up. Let's see who I got. Again, this was packaged and sealed, so Sarah didn't pick this card for me. Oh my god, I just saw, I don't know why I'm like, I gasped, but anyways, look who I got. It's Uji. Hello Uji. He looks so cute here, and he's showing off his 17 ring. So for this photo book right here, every member does get a single photo, and they're all just wearing white with, so it's just basically contrasted with the red string that they all have in their photos. So after each single member's photo, which is ordered by age, you get lyrics at the back and song credits, and then credits for styling and all that fun stuff as well. Now we're going to be moving on to version A. The regular version just comes with a very small photo book, a CD, and a photo card. This one right here comes with a 50-page photo book that is, I believe, glued in, because again, this is cardboard. And then you also get a CD and also one of the members' cards. And we'll open it up. So the color scheme of this one right here is the blue version, and instead of the flimsy plastic packaging, it comes with a resealable bag, which I'm probably gonna keep in there. Actually, don't know, do I keep it? Usually I'll see what I did in my shelf. I don't think I actually keep the plastic, but I digress. So we're just going to open it up. And the CD for this one is blue with a darker blue font, darker blue color for the text. And in here, the photo book, it is thicker, obviously. There's 50 pages, and we're gonna take a look at which member, and right here, I got Mingyu. I forgot to mention at the back of the photo cards that they're all the same at the back, but just with different color scheme. Hello, Mingyu. He looks very lost. Are you okay, my boy? Actually, he's not lost. He's just like, So with this photo shoot right here, I quite love it. It's very nice because it looks like they're in like a studio, but they're traveling to different places with water or beaches or like cityscapes, which is kind of nice. Oh, and then, but Koops's is like weird because his is like outer space. Like, is he going outer space or in the sky? Like, okay. I like Sungwan's because his is like a little bit of greenery and stuff like that. You know, I'm a sucker for anything that has greenery because everything is very artificial. So I like when things have a little bit of like green and naturalness to it. I say that as I'm sitting in my empty ass storage room filming this, so there's lots of echo. I forgot to mention, if there's a lot of echo, it's because there isn't much stuff to dampen the sound in here, and there's like no plants in here because again I have a cat. So yeah. So moving on to the B version of the album, this is like the normal version, like the crystal clear packaging, but you get more photos. So this is 50 page. Again, you get a CD with the music on it, and you also get a photo card as well. Again, cardboard. The front is them all just sitting together. Cool. And the CD for this one is, I believe, is it the exact same color? So the color of the CD for this one right here is slightly darker than the first one. I don't know if it's a misprint or what. It could be a misprint, but it has a little bit of a peachier tone rather than a tan tone. I don't even know how to describe it, but that's how I would describe it. If that matters. I don't know if people actually care when I unbox these. I just like to describe things. Not very well, but I like to do it anyways. So we're gonna find the photo card. Ooh. And guess who it is? It is Wanu. And he looks good, because you know why he looks good in here? Because he's not taking the picture. Someone's taking a picture of him. That's why he looks better. I'm saying he's good at many things, but taking selfies is not one of them. I praise him when he actually takes a good selfie, but here this is not a selfie. That's why he looks good. Anyways, I digress. This is what he looks like. He does look good, and it is the white outfit. Again, similar to the normal version, and the back is similar to the first one as well. So in this one, I'm just flipping through, and in this version you can see that they are doing with the red string thing again, you know, like the string of fate or whatever, but they are also kind of like directing their own and taking pictures of each other. Single shot of each member, and then you also have some shots of where the members are taking pictures or recording each other. Okay, sorry, I just had a package delivery, so I had to go get it. Anyways, I don't even know. How's my lighting? How's my angles? I don't know. Anyways, let's move on. So this one is version C. I'm trying to read because my Japanese is not the hardest. I mean, my Japanese isn't the best. I can't speak as well. I apologize. But anyways, there's an M infinity card in here. What does that mean? I'm not too sure. See, that's what I don't know. There is a 20-page photo book as well, and obviously one of 13 cards. For this, you can tell that the packaging is much different. So like, it's like thinner. Hold up, I'll hold up the other one. Okay, and this. Do you hear that? Do you see the difference in like packaging here? Like, can you see the difference? Like, this is nice and thin, and this is nice and thick. You do get still a CD. I don't know why I thought you wouldn't get a CD for some reason. I saw that M Infinity card and I was like, anyway, CD is similar to the other one, which is version A. I'm like trying to think now. Version A has a similar CD again. And for this one, instead of having the flippy photo book, you get like this cover, which you're supposed to just grab stuff in. So let's just grab it. Let's see what it is. Oh, just kidding. You know, you can slip it out this way. There's 2 ways you can slip it out. Okay, and you can see stuff before me. I don't know what it is. Who did I get? Sungan! Hello, Sungan. Hello, my boo. And it looks like he's wearing yellow, but he's actually wearing white, I think, right? No, he's actually wearing yellow. Oh my god, I thought my eye or my white balance or my white perception is like off or something, but he is wearing a light yellow shirt, and he has red hair here, and he looks super cute. Hello. And the backing of this is similar, I believe, or not exact same or similar to the version A. It might be different. I have the memory of like a goldfish. So this is like version normal version. So you just get a little thin booklet, and these pictures are super colorful. Each member does get a different color. I like this. This is nice. I'm not saying I don't like the white background, white shirt, white everything, because again, minimalism, great. But like, this one is so cute and funky. Like, you'll see close-ups of it later, but like, this is so cute and funky and like makes my heart sing. I love, if you have seen any of my unboxings before, I love obviously minimalistic, simple, but it doesn't mean it has to be like plain and like boring. It can be like editorial, like this shit, okay? Like super nice, and I don't know, they just look good in here. Case closed. Oh, I forgot one thing. There's one more thing in here. What's this? Ooh, I believe it's for an app or like a digital version of the album, maybe, question mark, not too sure. I have to look this up after. But look, it's inverted and S scoops. That is so cool. I like this because sorry. And moving on to our last one here. This is Carat version. And where's my Chang'an card, my John Han card, my Chonghan, so last version is the Carat version. You get a Blu-ray with the making and the music video, I believe. And yeah, I believe it's the making of, and then the 20-page booklet, which has the photos, and then you get a photo card, which is the E version, which is, I don't know why it's the E version, it's the Carat version. And right here is the CD as well, just the regular CD. So we're gonna open it, and the photos seem to be again similar to version normal, version A, and version version normal, version and version B. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Anyways, ooh, you get two. Look at that. The colors again similar to what we had before, the tan color and the blue color. And in the side we have a slip pocket right here, very nice. We're gonna pull this out here. There is the photos, and where's the photo card? Hello, beautiful. Oh my god, you look sleepy though. You're tired. You look overworked. Anyways, but he looks so cute here. And guess who I got? Obviously, Chan. Hello. And gorgeous. The back is the tan color, similar to the other ones. Of course, I'm not too sure. Did Sarah like slip this one in for me? Because did she get to look through the ones where it didn't have the plastic ripping one? Like, you know what I mean? Like the other packaging, but thank you if you did, because so this one right here is a 20-page booklet, and again similar to other ones, but this one is rectangular instead of square, so I mean that's funky and fresh, I guess. So the pictures this time is just one picture for each member. Again scraps compared to what we usually get, I guess, with other albums. But again, remember, this is a different demographic, different market, different types of photo albums, right? Like they're not gonna bombard you with like 70, 80 pages of like one member, you know? So anyways, the white and the red concept, it kind of isn't my favorite. I'm gonna go on a ramble. It washes them out and it makes them look kind of sickly. Like the person who edited this make them look really sick. I say that as I edit my videos, like kind of like the same. Anyways, but yeah, it looks nice though, because they look good. Because you know, when you naturally put like pretty people in front of a blank canvas or blank screen or whatever background, they're obviously gonna pop themselves, so you don't have to try that hard. Anyways, anywho, that is it. If you're curious about price breakdown, I will list it down below. I don't know why I'm talking with an accent now. Anyways, let me take off the accent. I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing, albeit it was kind of quick, right? And hopefully you will watch my future unboxing. Again, I don't do lots of unboxing on this channel, so if you're only subscribed to me for my unboxings, I apologize. I will only do it when they come out with albums. I'm not doing merches or like things like that. Again, only albums and membership. So those two are the only things. I'm not buying any more concert merch, because you know they came up with like 5,000 concert merch and fan meet stuff, and I'm gonna say no. I know the magazine, I was actually contemplating on getting it because it's like kind of unique because they did it themselves. It was like self-produced, but in my heart of hearts, I know that it's gonna be sitting on my shelf. Not like these albums are, I mean, but it's just my personal thing, and mama's gonna pay for her house, so I cannot spend too much money on these things, even though I love and support my boys. You know how it is. Anyways, ramble over. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope you have a good day. And check out my other videos at my end card. It will suggest some stuff if you want to watch it. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!